Hello, everyone. In this video, we are going to understand what Guidewire is and why it is widely used by insurance companies around the world. If you are a software tester, QA engineer, or someone entering the insurance domain, understanding Guidewire is very important. Guidewire is a software platform used by insurance companies to manage their core business operations. It helps insurance companies handle things like creating insurance policies, managing customer information, processing payments, and handling insurance claims. Guidewire provides a complete digital platform that helps insurers operate efficiently. Insurance companies deal with millions of policies and transactions every day. Without a proper system, managing all this data becomes very difficult. Guidewire helps companies automate business processes, manage customer policies easily, track billing and payments, and process claims faster. That's why many large insurance companies across the world use Guidewire systems. Guidewire provides a set of applications called the Guidewire Insurance Suite. The three core products are Policy Center, Billing Center, and Claims Center. These applications work together to support the entire insurance lifecycle. Policy Center is used to create and manage insurance policies. With Policy Center, insurance companies can generate insurance quotes, create policies, modify policies using endorsements, renew policies, and cancel policies. Policy Center handles the policy lifecycle from creation to renewal. Billing Center manages all financial transactions related to policies. This includes premium billing, payment plans, invoice generation, payment processing, and refunds and adjustments. Billing Center ensures that all payments are tracked correctly. Claims Center is used to manage insurance claims. When an accident or loss happens, customers can report a claim. Claims Center helps insurance companies register claims, investigate claims, approve or reject claims, and process claim settlements. This system ensures that claims are handled efficiently and fairly. For software testers, Guidewire systems require thorough testing to ensure everything works correctly. Testers verify policy creation flows, billing and payment processing, claim reporting and settlement, and integration with external systems. Testing ensures that insurance systems work smoothly for customers and businesses. Let's look at a simple example. A customer buys car insurance. First, the policy is created in Policy Center. Then the premium payment is handled by Billing Center. If the customer meets with an accident, the claim is processed in Claims Center. This shows how Guidewire supports the entire insurance lifecycle. Guidewire is one of the most popular platforms used in the insurance industry. Understanding Guidewire is very helpful for software testers working in the insurance domain. If you want to learn more about Guidewire testing, interview questions, and real project scenarios, make sure to subscribe to the channel.